Hello, welcome. This is Jill Small Gardening, and we are going to show you our Brunswick Stew recipe, Georgia style. On day one, you smoke your Boston butt. We are smoking 3, but we are going to use 1 8-pound butt for the Brunswick Stew. We smoke these with the fat cat up, and be sure to mop them once an hour to keep them nice and moist. And then you will pull those and put them in an aluminum pan, cover them, put them in your oven, and let them set overnight. On day 2, you pull the pork from the bone, and this particular meat was smoked 1 hour per pound, and we used peach wood as well as charcoal. Also on day 2, smoke your chicken. While the chicken's smoking, of course, you're pulling the pork off the bone. These are 5-pound chickens, and they were smoked until the internal temperature was 180 degrees. And then, of course, you pull the chicken from the bone. Later on day 2, we make the Brunswick Stew. This is our Brunswick Stew recipe, Georgia style, how to. So, the chicken is 5 pounds. The butt was 8 pounds. You add 3 cans of diced tomatoes, right, about 42 ounces or so. You add a quart of whole kernel yellow corn. You add a quart of butter beans, a couple of medium onions, a quart of chicken broth, 24-ounce bottle of ketchup or your homemade ketchup, half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. And then you cook it low and slow into the evening. So the stew has cooked for about 10 hours low and slow. You let it set up overnight, render those juices together, warm it back up on day 3, and get it thick enough so you can stick a wooden spoon in it that will stand up. And then you simply serve it to your guest and enjoy. Now this stew, with the proportions here, equals roughly 10 quarts, maybe 11. And as you can see here, it's very thick. It's going to be a hit if you use this recipe. You'll notice that this recipe does not include potatoes, which is a key part of a true Brunswick Stew, Georgia style. Hey, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it out. And don't forget to sub and hit the thumbs up and come back for more. There's a link here to some other interesting recipes. Peace, y'all.